Hi everyone and welcome back to Skrach. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious hot fudge sauce. Let's get started. For this we're going to need 1 cup of half and half, 3/4 cups of sugar, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, 1/4 cup of butter, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 4 ounces of unsweetened baker's chocolate. We'll start by roughly chopping our 4 ounces of unsweetened baker's chocolate into small pieces and setting it aside. Then we'll combine our cup of half and half, 3/4 cups of sugar, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt in a medium saucepan over medium heat. We'll whisk this mixture until it's well combined and bring it to a boil. Then we'll reduce heat to medium-low and let it simmer for about 5 minutes, whisking occasionally, until it's slightly thickened. Then we'll add in our chopped chocolate, butter, and vanilla extract, and whisk it until everything is well incorporated and the butter and chocolate are melted and smooth. We'll serve this warm over ice cream. I hope you like this recipe and give it a try. If you do, let me know in the comments how it turned out. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more easy and tasty recipes like this one. Thank you for watching and see you next week.